On January 19, 1968, the day Awka, Biafra, was captured by the 2nd Division of the Nigerian Army. We fled a few hours before Awka was captured and fled to become refugees at 14 Mba Road, Onitsha, Biafra. The famous English spy, Frederick Forsyth, and author of the best-selling book, The Dogs of War, was a journalist in Biafra and the author of the book, The Biafra Story. Frederick Forsyth toured our refugee camp in Awka, Biafra, and toured it after our camp was captured by the Nigerian Army. Frederick Forsyth reported in his book, The Biafra Story, and I quote, "At Awka, I saw the corpses of the occupants of a refugee camp. The men folk had had their hands tied before shooting. To judge from appearances, the women had been subjected to appalling mutilations, either before or after death. The bullet-broken bodies of the children lay scattered like dolls in the long grass." End of quote.